Hi students, a very good morning. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn chapter 1, a letter to God, part 3. Please follow the text while I am reading and note down the meanings of new vocabulary. Please be attentive and listen carefully. The following Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. Yes, the following Sunday, that means the next Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask. Lencho came to the post office to ask if there was a letter for him. There was a reply from God for him. Yes, it was the postman himself who handed the letter. The postman had handed over the reply letter to Lencho, while the postmaster, who had collected the money, who had experienced the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, the postmaster who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. Postman had handed over the letter to Lencho. Next passage. Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence. But he became angry when he counted the money. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. Very good passage. Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. So as soon as he got the letter from the postman, he opened the envelope and took the money. He counted it. On seeing the money first, he didn't have any expressions, emotions. He did not show any surprise. That was his confidence. That was his extreme faith in God. Just he wrote a letter to God, but immediately he received the reply. He got the money. So, he did not show any surprise. Such was his confidence that he has extreme faith in God that undoubtedly he would get the money from God. Exactly, he got the money. But he became angry when he counted the money. Yes, he started counting it. As soon as he counted the money, he got angry. He got angry. Why? You know that? Yes, he got less money. He got very less money than the amount what he asked. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. God could not have made a mistake. God never made a mistake. He had that much faith. Nor could he have denied. Nor could he have denied means reject. Could he have rejected Lencho what he had requested? God never rejected the request of Lencho. Undoubtedly, he could help. God always helps the people who believes in him. The same, God could not have made a mistake. God could not have denied the request of Lencho. Then why could he get very less money? Instead of 100 pesos, he got only 50 plus. So, then what did he do? Immediately Lencho went up to the window to ask for paper and ink. Again he went up to the postman and asked for paper and ink. Why? Guess, why did he ask for paper and ink? Yes, exactly, you are right. He wanted to write a letter again. To whom? To God. What is he going to write in the letter? What is he going to write? Yes, just go through the passage. On the public writing table, he started to write with much wrinkling of his brow, caused by the effort he had to make to express his ideas. With much wrinkling of his brow, with much wrinkling of his brow. Observe here. This is wrinkling of his brow. See here. When we are angry with any person, just we wrinkle our brows like this. You can see here. You can see the image. Yes. The same Lencho did. Immediately Lencho went up to the window to ask for paper and ink. On the public writing table, he started to write with much wrinkling of his brow, with much angry, caused by the effort he had to make to express his ideas. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp, which he licked and then affixed it to the envelope with a blow of fist. Exactly, see here. Yes, when he finished writing the letter, he went to the window to buy a stamp. See here. He went to the window here. See here. To buy a stamp. And observe here. Which he licked the stamp. That means stamp is a small size. He licked it and pasted it here on the envelope. Already the gum has applied there to the stamp. Then just he had applied his saliva and pasted the stamp, which he licked and then affixed it to the envelope with a blow of fist. Once he pasted the stamp, he just blow of fist to attach it, to fix it perfectly. So, with a blow of his fist. The moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postman and the postmaster were watching from their respective places. The postman and the postmaster were watching this lunch show. So the moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. Lencho left the post office. Immediately the postmaster opened the letter. Then Lencho wrote, it said, God, of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me. But I asked 100 pesos. Send me the rest. That means they send me the rest of 30 pesos, since I need it very much. But don't send it to me through the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. Lencho. So, the post office employees are a bunch of crooks by Lencho. Crooks means cheats. So God, send me the rest of the money, the rest of 30 pesos, since I need it very much. But don't send it to me through the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. What an innocent person Lencho is. He did not know that the money was sent by the post office people. The postmaster had helped him. He did not know that. He believed that God had sent the money. What an innocent person. What was the faith he has? What an extreme faith he has in God. It's a wonderful story. Exactly, students. Hope you had enjoyed this story. So, please answer the assignments. Thank you so much.